breakdown sets the drama aside and asks one question: did the law support every step of this encounter? Footage from Florida, where statute and precedent draw firm lines around theft, detention, and force.
Ma'am, calm down. What's up? Ma'am.
I just want him to scan the beatbox. You guys are thinking
Settle down. Don't make a scene.
I'm not making a scene. I really want to.
All right. I need you to calm down. I need you to relax, okay? All right. Let him do his job.
I'm doing it. I'm letting him make his job.
Well, you're hindering him when you're talking to him and you're screaming at him. You're hindering him.
I'm not trying to scream.
All right. So just relax. Let him do his job. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead.
One of the very good things on that page. How much is it?
None of this would have happened if you wouldn't have done what you did in the first place, okay? If you were literally stopped the first time to turn around and start doing it,
They stopped me over there because the machine wasn't working. I was paying for myself.
They stopped you.
They shouldn't stop me. I asked for help. I asked for help so she could finish the transaction for me. She said I couldn't go. So I had to
You
go
were
to another
already,
one. She
you were
switched me to
already
another one.
doing what you were doing.
I'm not even everything is done.
Okay, the formula, the food, all that's on there?
All of these are in bags, so I didn't check the ones that are in the bags.
Everything that's in that you guys can check. I literally have the receipt for everything. There's waters in the bottom that I paid
I
for.
already checked. 126 each.
On the spot?
This one paid for. I don't know about this one.
Man, do you have ID on you?
The beatboxes.
Let me see your ID.
So what do you need my ID?
Don't make this a problem.
I don't have that.
You're being detained right now. So give me your ID.
It's on there.
Did they find anything that? Did they find anything that was scanned yet?
Yeah, right there.
They did. Everything in here. Everything there is scanned. That's not scanned. I don't know why, but this is scanned.
All right,
They're
so
asking for
you have
beatbox
some options. You can either be put in handcuffs.
I don't want to be put in handcuffs
Okay,
because
so
my
identify yourself.
I can identify myself. You want my ID? I can give it to you.
So these stuff were over here with these, but they were not
I
scanned.
literally went through the scanner. I went through the lady. I went through the lady, dog. I don't understand this. I went through the scan machine by yourself. They told me it was not working, so I went through. She sent me to another one. I came over here. She said I gotta go to another one. I came over here, and then he tells me
What's your
I have to
name?
go to
What's your name?
Lyrium.
All right, Lyrian, let me ask you a question. Were those clothes in your cart?
Yes, this was
you pay
my
for 'em?
card. I supposedly I just gave it to
All
her.
right, you didn't pay for it. That's why you're being detained.
That's fine. You can
So be
detain me.
quiet.
I'm sorry.
412. $2 in that week.
I didn't get this from here. You guys can check the camera.
Leave the
So I'll leave
beatbox
the
right there.
boxes here.
The beatbox, I did not bring that in here.
The pink one's half drunk.
Because I came from the gas station, ma'am.
Okay.
I was in the gas station. I got those from the gas station.
Okay, so you were drinking in the store then?
Is that a problem?
It is.
My bad.
You're not allowed to
Sorry.
drink in here.
My bad. I didn't know that.
That's about it.
I didn't even drink it in the store. I drank it outside.
I know I didn't go through these because they're in the bag. Only the ones that were
You
allowed.
guys can go through everything. Please go through everything.
It's up to you. Want to go through everything?
I just want to go. There's only one item on this.
Can I see his quick place?
No, it's supposed to be set. That's the set. It's right here. It's in here. It's in here.
He should be over there.
Caramel.
He took everything.
That's not BB caramel. It says popcorn chain, but it's not BB caramel. BB caramel, the one with the green name.
I paid for that.
And where is it?
That
98?
Blue Bunny caramel? Yeah, that's what that is. It looks
It's
like
pink
it.
and caramel. That's the one I paid for.
I'm helping you
You guys are, I literally have the receipt right here.
Relax.
Sorry.
Calm down. Chill out.
No, literally.
We're doing our job.
I
We're
get
not
that you're
stressing
doing
you
your job,
out.
but you're stressing me out because I have to
How
go.
we stressing you
I have
out?
Uber right outside.
Well, we can't let you go when you take something that
I'm
belongs
not
to you.
taking anything that doesn't belong
It's
to
right
me.
here.
I was supposed to leave it. I literally went through the lady. She's right there.
Calm down. I'm trying to help you. But you're making it
You're not
worse for
trying to help
yourself.
me. You're not trying to help me. You're really not trying to help me.
Okay.
Because I literally paid for that shit. You guys telling me I didn't. It's on the receipt, bro.
What's on the receipt?
I can show you my food stamp thing. I'm not like, bro.
Those clothes are on the receipt?
I'm not talking about the blues.
What are you talking about?
The blues I paid with my Cash App, which I paid with her.
Whoa, we're talking about that.
The ice cream, I'm talking about the ice cream, which was paid for.
Hold on, we're talking about the clothes.
I'm gonna show you. I don't really want to fight. I really
Those
don't want
clothes
to fight. I'm
weren't
just
paid
gonna
for.
show you. I'm just gonna show you.
Oh, my old area, frozen. I got that. That's personal.
There is a message for you.
FCIC clear, 19-year-old white female, FCIC.
Yeah.
The information, what you're looking for, stuff on anything. Right? Retail card.
What do you say?
Depends on the price. So.
Well, if you guys want to, then
Depends on the price.
okay. It depends on how. What's the limit?
Really $20. I'm not going to do that. Got you, bro. Me, I'm like 200 and up.
Oh, well, I'm not even worried about the trespass. I'm talking about arresting her. That's what I was.
Trying to say it's not.
I know.
That's paid for. Yes, are my speculations.
Where's the US vanilla? 16 ounce lotion. So that item right there, you can have that receipt back. That was the only thing on that receipt. You got all this?
Yes, these are all paid for.
Alright.
Let's checking this right here. 1897.
You said the eggs were on there?
The eggs on there. Check 12 count.
Begins with Florida Statute Section 8112. Subsection 3 in the merchant's privilege. Probable cause loss prevention staff may detain a suspected shoplifter in a reasonable manner for a reasonable time. Probable cause is the threshold here, a higher bar than mere suspicion. That privilege is the lawful bridge between the store's stop and the officer's arrival, and nothing here exceeds it. Retail theft itself lives in the same statute. It covers leaving with merchandise without paying and critically under-ringing or tag-switching at self-checkout. The degree turns entirely on value. Under $750, it is petty theft, a misdemeanor. At or above that figure, it becomes grand theft, a felony. Value may also be aggregated across items taken in a single episode. First, on this record, the total is never firmly established, so the theft count's severity remains open. Theft also requires intent to permanently deprive, which is exactly why the officers kept checking her receipt rather than presuming guilt. Once she is lawfully detained, her refusal to cooperate carries its own exposure. Florida Statute Section 84302, resisting an officer without violence, reaches anyone who knowingly obstructs an officer's lawful duty. Refusing commands, pulling away, or tensing up can all qualify. It is a first-degree misdemeanor, but a genuine criminal charge. Crucially, the charge requires a lawful underlying detention, and here, that condition is satisfied. A custodial arrest, even for a minor offense, is permissible. The Supreme Court confirmed this in Atwater versus City of Lago Vista. After a lawful arrest, searching the bag is not a separate violation. Under United States versus Robinson, officers may search the person, any items within immediate control incident to arrest. Evidence discovered there is admissible.
All right, at this point, go ahead and take it to the office. Because so far none of it's paid for.
Man,
Can you not take my bag? Can I call somebody, please?
I'm gonna hold it for you. Stop.
Can I please call somebody?
Put your
Can
hands
I
on your
please
back.
call somebody?
No,
Can
you
I
can't.
please call
No, you
somebody?
can't.
Yes, I can. I don't have.
Okay, this is not how that works.
I understand how it works, but can I please call somebody? Can I get a hit of it, please? Damn.
No, you can't.
Really? Really? Cut it
No,
out.
it's just, I literally went through the thing. Y'all can check the cameras.
Cut it out.
Y'all can check the cameras. I'm not playing, bro. I didn't. No, I have no reason to steal this. You just broke my nail, bro.
Okay,
That's on you.
Tensing up and pushing. We're gonna come this way.
You don't have to hold me that
Are you gonna?
You're gonna get charged for
Bring it to the car. Wait, no. We're gonna take it to the
Y'all
car.
breaking all my all my
Not yours. Relax.
All right.
Calm down.
oh my
There's kids here.
ID. I just need my ID. Can y'all give me my
You're gonna go to jail for
bro,
resisting if you don't
I
stop.
don't want to resist. I just want y'all to give me my
You're gonna go to jail for resisting if you don't stop.
oh my gosh, bro. I just want y'all to give me my
Calm down.
please. Bro, my just can I call my mom, bro? My baby! I'm 3 years old, bro! Stop!
Stop.
Stop!
This side? All right. Shut up.
Stop! Don't tell me to shut up! Bro,
Wait,
no,
let me
chill
try her.
out! Chill the out!
Stop.
No, bro, y'all cannot please call me baby. That's what I want to do. I don't care if y'all take me to jail. Can I please just call the baby?
Spread your
I
legs.
We're gonna have you call her. Relax.
I need to let her know I'm in jail. That's all I
We
wanna
are.
do.
We are. We are. We are. Calm down. We are.
Does she have
I
this?
want to make sure my baby's okay.
We're gonna give you the call. Relax.
Bro,
Calm down.
that phone just fell out.
I got you. I'm gonna take it up.
Okay, y'all have me in cuffs already. I'm not gonna run and y'all let me go.
No, it doesn't work that way.
You have me in cuffs.
You want to get
already.
tased?
No, I don't
Chill
want
out.
to walk.
Spread your legs so I spread your legs.
No,
Okay.
bro,
You're gonna get tased. Chill out.
bro. I just wanna. Can you take the glasses off? Can you take the glasses off? Bro, hold on.
Just asked us to take off the glasses.
Okay, the glasses. I ain't taking my chain off.
Calm down. Relax.
Everything has to go with me back.
Yeah, to the jail.
Bro.
Stop moving. You're gonna rip your
Baby,
head.
please.
No.
I need to call my baby. I need to call my baby. Please, I need to call my baby. Please, I need to call my baby. I need to call my baby.
Okay, you can do that later.
No, not later. I don't have her phone number. I don't know her phone number. Can I just please note down the phone number? That's all I want. You guys can take me to jail. I just want to note down the phone number. I just want the phone number.
Stop.
I'm not letting you for no reason. I'm not even touching you.
Crazy.
Bro, I just want to talk to the baby. That's it.
Where's your?
Please, just can somebody talk to me like a grown person? I don't want to argue. Please, can you talk to me? I will calm down, please. I will calm down. I just want to talk to somebody. I just want to let my grandma know. She has my baby, guys.
I'll call your grandma. Relax.
You don't have her number.
Do you have it?
Yes, it's on the phone. That's all I
All
want
right.
to do. I just want to call her.
What's your code?
102405. Can you open the door so I can let you know which contact it is? I don't want to argue. I just want to let my baby know. No. My bag, my ID. I need
My radio fell.
help.
Yeah, radio. Yeah,
I need all my stuff, guys.
Hold on. Hey, you want to go get it for me?
Yeah.
I think it fell.
Yeah, I'm gonna get your radio.
I just want to talk
All right.
to somebody, please. Just talk to me.
Relax. Hold on. Let me
Can
get.
you fix my shirt? My boob is all out, please.
I'll have her fix it for you. Hold on.
Please, just fix my shirt.
You want me? I'm trying to call your grandma. Relax.
Okay, go to contacts.
All right.
That phone doesn't work. It's the blue one. It's the blue one. I have two phones. It's another one.
The blue one's in your bag.
Yes, it should
All
be
right.
in there on the car. It should be in there. I had it with me.
I got you. I get the blue one. Calm down.
At this point, the officer goes to grab the woman's phone inside her purse, but as soon as he opens it, he comes across more mystery items.
Bro, please fix my shirt. My boob is all out.
I'll have the other officer fix your shirt for you.
Bro, please.
You got stuff in your bag
Ma'am,
too?
please, can you fix my shirt? It's all out.
This might belong to Walmart.
Ma'am, please. My boob is all out.
Okay, give me 1 second. I'm trying to find your phone. I'll have her fix it for
It's
you.
not in there. I literally said it was in the car. I had it with me with the baby.
All right, let me go get it.
Y'all got this too tight.
What does she want?
She wants her phone, but it's in the cart.
Oh yeah, it is in the cart.
All right, I'm gonna get your phone to see if this belongs to Walmart as well.
Those are all in her bag.
Yeah, these were in her bag.
Yeah, those are Walmart. Are those Walmart?
I don't know. Find out.
Not even Walmart.
We're gonna
Still
find
be
out.
somewhere else.
Go find out. Go ahead. That's not even Walmart. That's been in my bag. Can you fix my shirt? My boob is all out. And can you get my other phone?
Move your foot.
Can you get my other phone?
Move your foot.
I don't care. Can you get my other foot?
Your foot is gonna get messed up.
I don't give a fuck. Bro, can you get my other me? You gonna hit me?
Okay.
You gonna hit me?
You're.
Alright, it's time for
She just kicked me, so she's getting that, Leo.
Yep. I'm gonna.
Bro, I just want to talk to my baby. Y'all wanna
You're
talk to
gonna-
my baby?
you're lucky I didn't
My baby,
punch you
I'm
just
gonna take
now.
me to jail. I just want to
Alright,
talk
let's
to
see.
baby.
That Leo.
Y'all won't help
Switch
me. I just
out.
want to talk to her.
The pivotal moment is the alleged kick. Battery is any intentional touching or striking against another's will. When the victim is an officer in lawful duty and the person knows it, Section 784.07 reclassifies that battery upward. Here, accuracy matters. The original narration called this a first-degree felony. It is not. Battery on a law enforcement officer is a third-degree felony. First-degree label would demand aggravating facts, deadly weapon, or great bodily harm absent from this footage. A single act outweighs the entire theft question in seriousness. On force, the governing standard is Graham versus Connor. Reasonableness is judged from a reasonable officer's perspective in the moment, not with hindsight. The officers warned of a taser but never deployed it, and they threw no strikes. Verbal warning to a kicking, resisting subject sits low on the force continuum, and that restraint is sound. Profanity deserves a word. Under City of Houston versus Hill, words aimed at police, even crude ones, are largely protected speech. The officers did not arrest for the language. They arrested for conduct, the theft allegation, and the kick. That distinction keeps the arrest constitutionally firm. Throughout, the state must prove every element beyond a reasonable doubt. She remains presumed innocent.
As of now.
That's all I want to do.
So, I mean, you could either do resist with violence or bad Leo, but I say do bad Leo.
I'm gonna do the bat Leo because she just kicked me.
Yeah,
And I'll do the resisting as well, or just not. They're both, I mean...
I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to let y'all know where the phone is at so you can get to the phone and call my grandma. That's all
say
it is.
throw in both. So resist without, bad Leo, and retail theft. This is their stuff here.
But the retail theft part,
I'm
we gotta...
working on it. I will help you with all of that. For bad Leo, you just gotta put that she kicked you.
Oh, no, yeah, but I'm just wondering, I'm not doing anything else. I just opened the door and you kicked me. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done. You're done.
Stressful it is to live in this world.
Bad Leo, resist, and
I didn't resist. You guys arrested me. I didn't want to resist.
I can't believe she just kicked me.
I didn't want
I knew
to
she was
kick you.
going to.
You
That's
guys
why I
are being...
popped her.
Bro. Oh my God. You guys are a
37 Alpha 56.
Must be a good one. Did you call my grandma?
She just kicked me.
Did you call my grandma?
Yeah. I opened the door
my
to fix her shirt for her, and she's pushing her feet at the door, and I can't get it closed. I tell her to go in. She literally kicks me.
Can you just get the phone so I can call her?
No, I'm good. I think he said he's gonna work on the retail theft part of it, but then where are the tags from those?
So the tags are under.
Are DDs, which is down there.
Yeah, and the receipt, I have it. They're in the bag. Look for the bags. The receipts are in the bag.
Two cautions remain. One officer's remark that she was lucky not to be punched is unprofessional, and it now lives on the record. And her concern for her child created a genuine welfare duty that the officers were right to address. Now, the grades. The officers earn a B+, lawful at every step, proportionate in force, undercut only by an avoidable comment. The subject earns a D+. A contestable receipt dispute became a felony through her own escalation, lifted slightly by real concern for her child. Loss prevention earns a B, solid documentation, self-theft shall check out confusion that fed the conflict. Now, the lessons. For citizens, if a receipt ends the dispute, produce it calmly and never let a property question become a felony through one physical act. For officers, control the scene but control the commentary too, because every recorded word becomes evidence. For retailers, a clean self-checkout process prevents the ambiguity that turns confusion into suspicion. Let us know your thoughts on this case in the comments below. If you found this analysis useful, consider subscribing for more legal breakdowns of police interactions. Thank you for watching.